All right, y'all, so the release has come and the release has gone for the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. We're gonna talk about the release. We're gonna recap it, talk about what happened today. So stick around, stay tuned, sit back and relax. Let's jump into the full video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up. It's still your boy, the vendor, just talking about. Like I said, we got another drop. It's like the third one. We had a shock drop. We had exclusive access. Now we finally got the official drop on the Nike Sneakers app for these Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. And it's fine. I'm glad it's kind of over, you know what I'm saying? It's too many times these things didn't drop. Too much anticipation built up. Couldn't find these things early nowhere. So I'm kind of happy that it is over, man. So if you guys new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. We're gonna be dropping the full review on the feed over the Air Jordan 1 low black toe OGs here within the next couple of days. So if you guys do want to see that on the feed, you guys want to see how them things is hitting forward, releasing August 4th. Like I said, hit the notification bell right now for your boy. And I know you guys see it on me, bro. I know you guys see it on me. We got on the OutRank brand tee right here that goes perfect with the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toe. I'm telling y'all, if y'all watching this video right now, you do like what you see, you know, check out the hat right here as well. Super nice, all nice quality. It sells out pretty fast. So you guys can use my code TheVintage right now. Just put the vintage in the, you know, discount code box, and I can save you 10% on your entire order. And I'm telling you, every time they drop something, it flies off pretty fast. It goes perfect whatever sneaker they are dropping the collection. This is a UNC Toe collection, and it's looking really nice. So check out the front right here. I'm actually give you guys some B-roll of the shorts I have on, and check out the back of the tee. You guys see it, man. Super, super nice. I'm loving it, you know what I'm saying? I'm glad they sent this over for your boy, and I'm glad I can, you know, help you guys out. Styling your Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes, you know, with a discount code TheVintage. I'm gonna tag it down below. Go tap in, don't sleep. All right, man, here we have them, the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1. I just want to show the box one more time. I know we already did the full review and on feet, but the presentation, like everything they hit us with, even extra laces with these UNC Toes, it was all, you know, well worth the wait. I mentioned earlier in the video that, you know, we didn't get any pairs early, really. It was a lot of like GS sizes floating around, but there was no men's pair, and that kind of had me assuming that, you know, Nike did do a better job actually getting the shoes where they needed to go. So there's a lot of, you know, thefts from Nike products over the summertime, and maybe Nike is, you know, tightening it up, because you don't see a lot of these early pairs that we used to see earlier this year, and definitely last year. It was crazy. If you guys did pick your pair up today, go ahead and comment it down below. I always forget to ask you guys, man, who got a W on the Air Jordan 1s that just dropped today? The UNC Toes, you know, sneakers, you know, flex, ship to me, JD finish line. I want to see everybody how y'all hit down below in the comment section ASAP. For me, I actually did hit another pair on the Nike Sneakers app, which happened to be the same account that I hit on the shock drop on. So they didn't care. They said, yo, you want a pair, you got it. Because there is more sizes currently sitting on Nike Sneakers app. Maybe when I do post this video, they are probably all sold out. But when I am recording this right now, there are pairs currently sitting on Nike store, on JD, on everywhere. They pretty much sit everywhere, and I don't think that's gonna stay for long. Like, I don't think they're gonna sit for long, just because this is a UNC Air Jordan 1. You guys know, like, just think about the history of the Air Jordan 1. Every UNC baby blue that they throw on a Jordan 1, the resale tends to grow like crazy on the back end. Like right now, it might be really low, you feel me? It might be going for just that 220 bucks, 230, but it's a UNC colorway. You're gonna keep rising, it's gonna keep, you know, growing over time. And I'll say about this time next year, we're gonna be seeing these joints in the $300 threshold. That's just my personal opinion. That's why I always tell y'all, if you do like them, go ahead and grab them right now while the resale is low. That's just plain and simple what I'm trying to tell y'all. I definitely think these will grow. I definitely think they will grow onto people later down the line. Because, you know, you gotta think, there's some people out there that have the UNC ones, they have the University Blue ones, and they probably like a little tired of the UNC, you know, colorway. But with that black toe color blocking, I definitely think that these will grow tremendously in the resale value down the line. That's why I got my pair. I'm using this trade bait later down the line. Go ahead and grab me something that I do not have in the collection, and just all around, you know, dope sneaker, man. And if you guys have not checked out my own feet, I'm gonna put the video down below. I'm gonna put a little portion in here as well, just show you guys. These things are so crispy, so clean on feet. And I told y'all, man, the UNC laces probably a little too much for me, too much UNC on the toe box and leading up to the laces. So I'll switch it up, put the black laces in there, but I definitely think that the white laces There's some white laces in these joints. I really think that would look nice as well. I might go ahead and lace them up, show you guys how that looks at the end of today's video. A good thing that I will say about today's release is I didn't hear a lot of, people complaining about error messages, Nike doing some crazy stuff on the sneakers app, saying that the payment issues is, all messed up. It was pretty much a smooth release date. I think I've definitely seen a lot of W's on my Twitter. I'm putting a little, screen record of everybody that did get a W on my Twitter. Make sure you guys go follow me ASAP. I'm gonna do that every time, something drops. Go ahead and show you guys some love over here. That shows support over on Twitter. Let me know if you got a W. Let me know how your release date went. Whatever shoe we are talking about, man. So shouts out to everybody over there that dropped y'all thoughts and opinions on that Got 'em post that I did for the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes this morning of the drop. And the thing that really sold me on these joints is that I don't have any more UNC Air Jordan 1s in the collection. I told you I sold like 40 some pairs of sneakers last year, and then earlier this year I sold like 20 pairs or like 40 pairs. I sold a lot of sneakers within the last couple of years. Within the last year I sold a lot of shoes. So this is the first UNC colorway Air Jordan 1 that we got back, and I'm pretty sure that, we starting off really right. Definitely got to go back, add some of those, grills back in the collection. You got that tumble leather with the UNC on the back, and of course you got that tumble leather on the toe box. Love them. UNC toes, thank you Nike for bringing them back. And like I said, you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you were lucky enough to add a pair right now, man. Again, man, make sure you guys go check out OutRank brand. I'm gonna tag them down below. Go ahead and get right with your fit. Every time something does drop, they have a crazy dope collection that goes perfect with the sneaker, and this week happens to be the UNC toes. You guys see the hat we got on, you guys see the tee, and you guys gonna see the shorts and some B-roll. Super dope. Everything has some great quality that they do produce. So go tap in with them. Use my code TheVintage. Save you guys 10% on your entire order, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys. Shouldn't miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel. Please leave a huge like on today's video. And with all this being said, man, appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. Drop them comments down below. Let me know how your UNC toe day went. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.